Hey traders, welcome to WeTradeWaves weekly forex forecast. Guys, market moved as expected last week. I'll show you the proof shortly, especially for DXY. I said to you, regardless, market will push to the upside. The reaction is toward the upside here. After a corrective structure, even if this will go downside to break this low once more, up is the move and the reaction is toward the upside. That's exactly what the market have done. And proof for that, of course, let me show you this. This was last week's video, 6 days ago. And by the way, thanks a lot for all of your liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. So for this one, I said to you guys, even if market go to the downside to break this low, up is the move. So that's the before and that's the after. Market moved exactly as expected. So for retail waivers, they know how to trade this wave and they know how to trade this up move as well. Two waves, they know how to trade them and how to maximize profits. If you want to learn our way, if you want to learn WeTradeWaves wave analysis concept, you have to join WW Pro to learn everything from inside. And in case you are new, again, this is our website. It's called WeTradeWaves.com. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment. So on this one, you can go here and you can check this video to know about our servers. Or you can just keep watching till the end. I'll post this video at the end of this forecast. So for this one, DXY, what's next regarding this? After this up wave, guys, I'm expecting now dollar to give us a drop, pullback or a corrective structure before the next up wave. So for this, from the current, I would say level, I'm expecting market to give me one more drop before the next structure. This drop can take us all the way down to break this low once more, just to take everybody out above this top, under this low, before the next up wave. This is a possibility. Is this needed for the structure, Alan? No. Just one more drop, one more pullback is more than enough for market to keep pushing the upside after that. That's exactly if everything stays at the same in terms of the geopolitics. That's why it's very important to follow us on a weekly basis and join the Sunday sessions conducted by T for WW Pro members. Why this is important, Alan? Because geopolitics, guys, are driving the markets at the moment. And you have to understand what's happening, what's next, which counter will be the next, and why USOIL actually is pushing the upside, and how this will affect the financial market. All of this, guys, will affect every single pair. And that's why our trades of the week are working as expected. All of them are in profits, and these are shared inside WW Pro membership. Okay? So if you want to know about the details, just check the website, check the video to know how to join us if you'd like to. So for this one, I hope this clear, guys. For DXY, I'm expecting this to give me just again one more drop before the next structure. Euro dollar, exactly the same thing. This market actually is giving us a corrective structure. We are exactly at the same as last week. So after this corrective structure, I'm expecting this to give me one push up before the next move. If I want to take any setup here, I'll wait for the buy setups. It's not about jumping in. It's not about follow us blindly. We can be wrong and market can drop 1,000 pips. That's why you have to have a strategy before you trade the next wave and follow weighted waves for golden rules. So in terms of direction, this will push the upside after it gives us a buy setup. This is what we are expecting and this is what we'll be trading if market gives us this up wave. All right. If you want to learn how to trade correctly, join WW Pro. All the details are on the website or at the end of this video. So for this one, direction is toward the upside. Pound dollar, exactly the same thing. Market just is going, I would say, sideways, taking everybody out above this top, under this low, above this top, and under this low as well. So in this guy's sideways move, in this time of uncertainty, market makers, they try to take everybody out before the next big wave. That's why you have to know that. So for this one, what's next? Even if this goes downside to break this low once more, under this low, I expect market to give me one push up. So if we get a buy setup under this low, we'll go for it. Oh, Alan, what if market pushes the upside from here? If this happens, we'll go for the buy setups. So for pound dollar, I'm expecting market to push the upside. And actually, I would say this is short-term scalping trade. It's not for long-term, guys, okay? So for now, if I need to take any action, I'll wait for market to give me a buy setup from these levels or from under this low to the upside. That's regarding pound dollar. Gold for this one, I hope, guys, most of you made money trading this wave. We said to you last week, guys, we're expecting market to give us one more drop to take actually liquidity under this low and then after that, this up wave. Any proof for this, Alan? Of course, if I go to this one, again, this was the XY I showed you and this was gold last week, 6 days ago. That's the before. As you can see, one more drop to take liquidity under this low and then after that, this up wave. If we go to this one here, market gave us exactly what we want. And I'll repeat this one more time here. I have repeated this more than once in the past few weeks. If you can see this the low and market break the low 1, 2, and then this up wave. Those of you who don't know what I'm explaining here, go back and watch some of our previous videos to know about this concept. Just breaking tops and bottoms 2 times, it's something discovered by WeTradeWaves team. And that's why I'm covering this one here just to show you. If I go to the 1 hour just to show you this one, look at that. Market break this low. Market broke this low here, 1, pull back, 2, and then this up wave. Anyway, we traders, they know how to trade this drop again, how to make money trading this drop, and how to make money trading this up wave, and trading this up wave as trend continuation. Again, these sort of forecasts, guys, these sort of trades, you can get them inside. The trades of the week were actually spot on. Pound yen, Swiss yen, and US oil as well last week. Most weighted waivers, they know like actually how T is covering these trades on every single Sunday session. And again, the Sunday sessions are purely for WL Pro members. We cover everything, and this is actually what we cover inside. So back to gold for this one, I'm expecting this to push to the upside. Regardless, guys, again, I don't want to discuss the geopolitics here. T will discuss this with you tomorrow during the start of the Sunday session. I would say at the start of the Sunday session. But again, we do not think that anything will change soon. That's why gold actually is an opportunity to the upside. Again, I don't want to discuss the details. I'm giving you here the bias and the direction. The direction is towards the upside for gold. Even if this goes downside to break this low once more, up is the move. In all the cases, any buy setup we get for gold, we will go for it. Okay? Alan, what if gold will push downside one more time? If this will happen, guys, the downside, we'll be buying under this low. Any buy setup under this low, we'll take it. Gold, guys, is an opportunity, and this drop is just temporary. Okay, so for this one, again, my bias, my direction is toward the upside. How to trade is up to you. If you want to learn the strategies from us, join WL Pro. You will get everything from inside. The link in the description and in the first comment. For this one, up is the move to the upside. All right. Aussie dollar for this one, market just gave us this drop, and then after that, one push up is expected before any next structure. Let me read these ones here. They are not important for now, just to show you in clear chart. This is what I'm expecting. One push up for a wave similar to this one, minimum, before any next structure. Okay, that's regarding Aussie dollar. New Zealand dollar, market gave us again a massive structure, very massive structure, and then another drop. Looks like market go down to break this low once more after this up wave. So for this one, a pullback is expected before the next structure. That's, guys, purely based on the current situation, purely based on the current, I would say, geopolitical events that we know. Any update, anything that will happen during the weekend might change this, I would say, massively. That's why it's very important to know the geopolitics from T2 during the Sunday session to know which direction you have to take. Okay, for this one, up before the next structure. Dorian for this one, most weighted waves, you should remember 160. If you remember 160 level, guys, covered by T, let me know in the comment section. US actually, Dorian went to the upside to tap this level, and now we are waiting a reaction. Alan, what's next after this one? This reaction, guys, that does mean you should go and sell blindly, over risk, over trade. I'm repeating, if you want to actually save your trading account, you have to follow weighted waves 4 golden rules. If you want to grow your account and make money on a consistent basis, you have to join WW Pro. The solution is in front of you. You take the opportunity or you leave it. It's up to you. Weighted waivers are actually making money through trading, through investment as well. We are actually teaching them how to invest, how to achieve financial freedom, and how to think long term, and how to build wealth. That's what you need. Everything you can learn it inside Weighted Waves Pro. So for this one, what's next? I'm expecting this to give me one more drop and then another up wave before the next structure. Weighted waves, you know why this drop, because I'm expecting this to give me a wave similar to this one minimum before the next structure. So 160 is the reaction level. If you want to sell, you have to be very careful. You have to know how to sell and to which levels. So for me, based on the structures, I'm expecting pullback, one push up before the next drop. And if this will push downside, well and good. Okay. In all the cases, 160 was the target and market hit 160. Now after that, a drop is expected for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss for this one, market just, it was going to the upside as a trend continuation after this up wave, corrective structure up, pullback, and then this up wave. What's next, Alan? Now I'm expecting market to give me a wave similar to this one before the next structure. So one more drop to take liquidity under these lows, and then after that, another push up will be expected. Alan, can we sell this? Is actually up to you how to sell it. For us, any sell setup we get here, we'll go for it to the downside. Okay? Again, I'm repeating this based on the current market condition and based on the current events. Any change of, I would say, regarding the war, any update, everything might change massively. That's why you have to learn how to trade correctly. Otherwise, you will over-risk, you will over-trade, you will panic, and you will lose big. Okay? So for this one, dollar CAD, exactly the same. Pullback, corrective structure before the next up wave is what we're expecting next for dollar CAD. Market gave us a corrective structure here again. Up, corrective structure here. This was a sign that, all right, one push up will be coming. And I explained this before. If you get one more drop, one more push up, a corrective structure, this is a buy signal. This is a buy structure. All weighted averages, they know that, and all of you guys who are following us in the past few months, you know this strategy or you know this structure, okay? That's why these actually structures, guys, are unique for weighted waivers. So I'm explaining some of the strategies, I would say, publicly, just for you to know how to understand. This is exactly the setup here. So we've got this drop, this up wave, a corrective structure, and this up move. This is exactly the same structure, the same simulation. That's why it's very important, guys, to join, learn, practice with weighted waivers, so you can train your eyes to capture the patterns and gain the experience, because it's all about knowing the patterns, understanding the structures, and trade the next wave and make money. That's what weighted waivers are doing inside, okay? So for DORCAD, corrective structure here, drop first before the next push up. That's what we can see for now. Yes, all this pushing the upside, it was one of trades of the week again. Worst case scenario, it's break even. Best case scenario, you will be in profits. So for this one, market went to the downside just to make sure everybody is out. Up, corrective structure up, trend continuation for weighted waivers, and then this up again. What's next, Alan? I'm expecting this to push the upside, guys, further. So any corrective structure is a buy opportunity for US oil. And just to let you know, if this will stay, guys, high, the stock market will crash. That's why for this one, corrective structure, one push up is what we're expecting next for US oil. Again, everything depends. If any ceasefire happens, if the war will stop suddenly, if this trade of Hormuz will be opened, everything will be changing and this will fall like that. Okay? For now, based on everything, the structure, technicals, geopolitics, this shows us one push up will be coming. If you know how to trade this one, you should be able to make money trading this one. Bitcoin market moving as expected, step by step, wave by wave, structure by structure. If you remember, I said to you before that market will break this top, these two tops as double tops, just to take liquidity and then another drop. And I remind you again before I continue about what's next. If you still remember, those of you remember, let me know in the comment section. I said to you guys, if market will not break this top here, while market was at this level, if market will not break this top, market is going to not break only this low, it will break this low as well. If you remember this one, let me know in the comment section. Even market is not here yet, but this is what looks like market will be doing. So again, market gave us this up wave without breaking this top and then a drop. After that, under this low, market is consolidating. What this means, Alan, if market actually going sideways under a major low, this means it's not a liquidity grab. It's not pulling back fast. This means they are just accumulating. They are actually, I would say, liquidating traders up and down here. They are manipulating the market before the next drop to take this low and potentially this low as well. That's why 45K level is still, I would say, on the cards for now. So back to the 4 hours. Again, I'll explain you this in detail now. What's next? What's happening? This up wave. This is the corrective structure in the middle. This is up and this was a running flat if you still remember. Up wave equal actually highs, pull back up, liquidity grab, and then this drop. After this drop, the same scenario, the same story, the same shit. Up, take actually everybody out here, take liquidity 1, 2 times. Why? Because they want to make sure that people who are actually, who have their stop loss here and people are waiting for the stop hunt, they will get liquidated above this top. That's why, guys, everything is exactly how we see it. For us, it's like we are reading a book. For you, this might be Chinese language. That's why you have to learn that. This is the language of the market. You have to learn inside weighted waves. Join WW Pro to not waste more time and money to learn everything from inside. So anyway, it actually, they broke this top here once, 2 times, and then this drop. Why this happens, Alan? This is market manipulation and that's liquidity grab. Okay. So what's next? If we get a corrective structure here, another drop will be coming. Alan, can they push market to the upside one more time? Yes, they can. If that happens, do not actually get trapped with this up wave. This is a liquidity grab before the next drop. This is the buy box. This is the buy zone for us. So any corrective structure is a sell opportunity for now for Bitcoin. More details will be shared by you tomorrow during the Sunday session. The direction is towards the downside for us. Even market push the upside, do not hold it for long. You can scalp this if you'd like to. And if this will be a corrective structure, drop will be coming. All right, that's regarding Bitcoin. US30 weighted average, you should remember what they said to you. Pull back and then drop. And that's exactly what the market have done. 50K, most of you remember it. And 7K for S&P 500, most of you to remember it as well. So what's next, Alan? This is a downtrend. Any pullback is just liquidity grab or a pullback before the next drop. So for now, I'm expecting this to give me a pullback first before the next structure. Any pullback is a sell opportunity. If you want to buy this one, you can go for it. If you want to sell this one, of course you can go for it if you know how to. This is, as I would say, for traders. For investors, any drop is an opportunity for you to keep actually accumulating, to keep buying assets, and to keep building for long term. Everything, guys, we can teach it inside. This just in less than 20 minutes. I covered for you all the list here. How to trade is up to you. If you want to learn it, it's inside WW Pro. Thank you very much, and I see all of you next Saturday. If you are serious about learning how to trade the right way, then this video is for you. Most traders don't fail because of the market. They fail because they lack proper trading education. I'm Alan, trading coach and co-founder of Free Trade Waves, and in the next 3 minutes, I will show you what's included inside WTW Pro, the program that has helped thousands of traders succeed, and how you can be next. Step 1. Start with WTW Basic Course. Even if you think you already know the basics, watch it. Our goal here is simple. Build the foundation. Step 2. Go straight into the WTW Masterclass course. This is where the real WTW framework starts. Don't rush it. Take notes, pause, rewatch, and ask questions. In this Masterclass course, we'll teach you everything about Free Trade Waves wave analysis concept. Strategies, exits, entries, risk management, money management, everything. Step 3. The Q&A session recordings. Yes, they are a lot, and yes, it takes time, but listen carefully. This is where I cover the advanced part of Free Trade Waves concept. Even you can find the long-term sessions that are covered by T usually at the start of every year. But again, this way traders level up because you hear real questions, real chart situations, real mistakes, and real solutions. If you only do the courses and you skip the Q&A session recordings, you are leaving the pro level on the table. You don't want to do that. Step 4. Join the day live sessions and ask questions. Starting with the Sunday session, every Sunday covered by T. Don't be a silent member. The fastest way for you to improve is to watch live analysis, ask your questions, and get corrected. And also, this is how you will build confidence. This is a mentorship. Use it. Step 5. This is not an overnight flip. Remember, this is not join today, rich tomorrow. Trading is a skill, like a profession. You are building discipline, execution, psychology, and consistency. If you respect the process, the results will follow. Step 6. WTW is not only about trading, it's a complete system. And you are not a signal service anyway. Even if you have the Sunday live sessions and we share the trades of the week, and we have the Wednesday update and the day live sessions, we also teach you about investing, long-term wealth thinking, and how to build financial freedom the smart way. Because the goal is not only to win one trade, the goal is to win in life with money, time, and freedom. And you can achieve that anyway. And finally, step 7. Trust the process and follow the roadmap. Basic course, masterclass course, Q&A session recordings, and daily live sessions. If you follow this roadmap, you will be shocked how much clarity you will gain in the next weeks and months. Welcome again to Free Trade Waves Pro. Now please join the Discord community from the Discord tab on your dashboard, and I'll see you inside.